Today on 1159 Videos, we're going to do a change out on one of the laptops I use for uploading videos, and I'm going to explain the differences in the hard drives. So we're going to go ahead and pull the cover off and get this hard drive out. I've already been in it, so this is just going to be quick so you can see. All you do literally is you just pull back like this. Once it pops out of place, it's got a little case that comes around it. Now this is a SATA. SATA, and that's the, when you see plugs like that, let's see if I can show it to you. See, when you see it like that, that way you know what that is. This is an IDE, way different. So if you pull your hard drive out and you see all the pins like that, that's called an IDE drive. So next step is I went ahead and ordered, this one came in, this was a 160 gigabyte, only spun at 5,400 RPMs. Wasn't too impressive. It died. So I ordered an even better one. I ordered, and we'll call this the unboxing. Alright, what do we got? We have a new WD, and this one's a 7200, 500 gigabytes, and it's a black edition. So the black edition pretty much just means it spins up higher. It's made for more photo editing. It's just more for demand. So what we're going to do, we took it out of the package. As you see, it's got the same exact plugs as the stock one. Now the next thing we're going to do is, get this box out of the way, we are going to take this case off. Just some Phillips head screws. We're going to change out, put the new case in, then I'm going to pop it in. It's just that simple. Stay tuned. Now I've pretty much already swapped it out. They look pretty much identical, and all you're going to do is just put it right back in where it was and slide it right back into place. It was just that easy. Now the case will go back on it, and it has a little keeper right here that helps hold it into place. Just snap it back in there. Just goes right in there. And screw right back into place. Now that we've got the disk drive changed, the hard drive changed, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how to install a new operating system. It's really not that bad. Next step is we're going to upgrade the RAM on this one a little bit. I've got a brand new battery to kind of freshen up this older laptop. It was the ThinkPad Y510. We're probably going to go ahead and get rid of Vista and put Windows Ultimate 7 on it. Like I said, I'm going to freshen it up a little bit. All I do is I use this for my uploads for the videos. So I pretty much put a thumb drive in and let it do its work while I'm doing editing on the other one. So this is that's all this is. This is just my upload computer. But with the 500 gigs, it gives me a little bit of storage for videos. So I'm going to go through it, show you guys a little bit, hope it helps you guys out. 1159 Videos, out.